In this video I will be showing you how to fix Roblox not launching on both PC or laptop. The first and maybe simple thing you can do is make sure to restart your PC. So just shut it down and restart it, or click just restart. This may fix the issue. If that didn't fix the issue, the next fix is to go click on here, the window, search for Roblox, right click on it, uninstall. You can also go to the installed app on the settings tab. Locate Roblox and then click uninstall. And now we will uninstall Roblox. Now right click on the window down here, choose run, then type % local app data %. Oh my bad. And then click OK. Locate Roblox. Right click the file, delete it. And now you will have to find the Roblox installer. You can either find the Roblox installer in your files, or you can just go and now just click download and install Roblox. Then just click the Roblox installer and you will see it will install Roblox. If that didn't fix it, this final step will fix so you can open Roblox and finally play it again. Just go down here to search, type in Microsoft Store, search Roblox, click on Roblox and install. Now you will be able to play Roblox again. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.